In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your WordPress password using WP Engine. So let's dive right in and make sure you can regain access to your WordPress site without any hassle. First off, you'll need to head over to your WordPress login page, which is typically your domain.com/wpAdmin. Once here, if you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply click on the link that says Lost Your Password. This link is usually located below the login form. By clicking it, you'll be directed to a page where you can initiate the password reset process. Next, on this new page, you'll find an option to Get New Password. Click on it, and the system will prompt you to enter your registered email address. This is crucial because it's the email you'll receive your password reset link. So, make sure it's your correct and accessible email address. After you've clicked the Get New Password button, head over to your email inbox. What you're looking for is an email from your WordPress site with a link to reset your password. However, don't forget to check your spam or junk folders in case the email doesn't appear in your main inbox. It can happen sometimes. Once the email is located, click on the link provided inside. This will direct you to a page where you can set a new, strong password. Now here's a tip. When creating a new password, ensure it's something secure. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for added strength. After entering and confirming your new password, you're almost done. Click the button to save the changes, and your new password is now active. With that done, it's time to try logging in again. Return to your WordPress login page, enter your username and the new password you just set, and voila, you should have access to your site once more. However, there's another way to reset your password via the WP Engine dashboard if the first method doesn't work for you. Begin by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. This is a particularly helpful option as it directly involves your hosting service. Once logged in, navigate through by clicking Go to Sites. Find and select your specific site. Then click on WordPress Admin, and from there, you'll see the option to Reset Password. Here, you'll simply enter a new password just like before, and make sure you save these changes as well. Whether you use the direct WordPress route or take advantage of WP Engine's dashboard, resetting your WordPress password is straightforward and effective. Following these steps should help you get back into your WordPress site swiftly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.